Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 146 summary. In this first clip, we can see a Russian tank running to a hideout, and we can see it's pretty panicked as the barrel of the gun is hitting the lampposts. Anything hitting the barrel is actually a very bad thing. It can throw off the sight calibration, but we can see here trying to run into a hideout, and then the Ukrainian artillery starts to come down onto it and destroys it. There's the destroyed tank just a little while later. Kinda nice. In the next clip, we can see an Su-35 that was shot down over the Kherson Oblast just a few hours ago. Su-35s are one of the newer aircraft in the Russian Air Force that have been used in a large amount during the battles in Ukraine and the war in Ukraine in general, and we can see one of them going to their fiery grave right here.
Это что, походу, бля, как он провода еще не ебанул? А какой? Чей самолет? А вон, глянь, стоят пацаны тоже охуевшие.
The Ukrainians have also slammed the bridge right outside of Kherson, crossing the Dnieper River, causing moderate damage to the tarmac in the bridge. We can then see a door gunner in a Ukrainian Mi-17 looking out over the fields and also firing the machine gun. In the Kharkiv area, Ukrainian artillery was able to knock out 2 Russian artillery pieces on film. Credit for these kills go to the 40th Brigade. Thank you all so much for watching. If you would like to, make sure to comment and subscribe, as it does help out this channel a lot, and we also upload these summaries every single day of the week except for Mondays. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.